Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and add Locket Widget to iPhone home screen. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Locket Widget. Now open your iPhone, and what you need to do to add the Locket Widget to iPhone home screen is make sure that the Locket Widget of course app is installed and you of course have signed in to it. Then touch and hold the empty area on your home screen until the app starts to jiggle. So just hold it and it will jiggle like this. Then tap the edit button in the top left corner and this will pop out. As you can see, you'll have a few options here that will pop out. So basically you'll have add widget, customize, edit wallpaper and edit pages. You need to go and click on add widget. And now here you will have multiple, as you can see, widgets. You need to go and search it for Locket. Now you found Locket, as you can see, we have it here. And what you need to do is tap and swipe to choose your preferred widget size. So you have it, as you can see, like this. Then click on add widget and the widget has been added. Now you can do it wherever you want, and as you can see we have it on our screen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.